cutting our head wall or our ridge on a direct deck bend up method, go ahead and get your measurements from the roof. Mark those on the panel. That will be your bend line. Go ahead and take your straight edge, mark that bend line, and then 2 inches up, we're going to go ahead and mark our cut line. Now horizontal ones, we want to go ahead and bend first. I'm going to put that on the back of the panel here. Hold that up, and then we'll come back over and do the cutting. Then once we get them all bent and cut, we'll go ahead and hand that pile up to the roof for installation. All right, once we've measured this, cut and bent our panels up on our ridge, or this would be the same for a head wall as well, we'll go ahead and put this in. You're going to want to put one fastener in the left side, then form this on the right side so it's up nice and tight. And then you'll push down the middle, fasten the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and fold up 2 inches, and we want that even with our 2x. So we'll go ahead and get that even and place fasteners in the backs, bend up as well.